Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம present tense, past tense, past participle forms வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதாவது V1, V2, V3 verb form வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். இதை எப்படி சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் go, went, gone. Play, played, played. Ask, asked, asked. Cry, cried, cried. Copy, copied, copied. Close, closed, closed. Continue, continued, continued. Delay, delayed, delayed. Buy, bought, bought. Bend, bent, bent. Bite, bit, bitten. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Jump, jumped, jumped. Carry, carried, carried. Feel, felt, felt. See, saw, seen. Fly, flew, flown. Break, broke, broken. Cut, cut, cut. Come, came, come. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Feed, fed, fed. Fall, fell, fallen. Agree, agreed, agreed. Fight, fought, fought. Free, freed, freed. Fry, fried, fried. Freeze, froze, frozen. Give, gave, given. Have, had, had. Improve, improved, improved. Kill, killed, killed. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Leave, left, left. Loss, lost, lost. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put, put. Order, ordered, ordered. Steal, stole, stolen. Spend, spent, spent. Speak, spoke, spoken. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Win, won, won. Include, included, included. Walk, walked, walked. Begin, began, began. Do, did, done. Become, became, become. Sing, sang, sung. Say, said, said. Cost, cost, cost. Read, read, read. Make, made, made. Sleep, slept, slept. Select, selected, selected.